What's going on, guys? We are back again with the 2-minute drill. That's one full week of trading highlights in 2 minutes. And this week was different because we are finally seeing a rally in the overall market. On Money Monday, we started with a nice push in the overall market. The QQQ and the SPY made new month highs as the SPY got back above 400 plus. Nice to see it. Let me get a bang.
Booyah!
Is this the start of the rally or is this a bounce? We're going to soon to find out. But the bounce in the overall market brought squeezes out to start the new week. It was a nice week full of orange squeeze. We had fresh squeezes everywhere this week, and it started on Money Monday in HLBZ. HLBZ is an electric EV scooter transportation related company. They not only do that, they also are a food delivery company. So they venture everywhere. With all that being said, they're a penny stock on the NASDAQ. And the penny stock went crazy to start Money Monday, spiking 100%. Showing you the spikeability and the potential in the stock market to start the new week. If you invested $1,000 on Friday, you could have made that $1,000 into $2,000 on Money Monday. HLBZ came out with news on Tuesday and continued to spike that they got 1,300 orders of their new EV bike. Check these things out. They're pretty cool. I'd probably ride these around more than I'd ride around the scooters, but they have tons of selections. Look at the variety that HLBZ has. Who knows if they're going to be a successful company? The idea is not to fall in love, just make money on it, take advantage of the momentum. And that's what you do here, 100% on Money Monday. On Tuesday, we ran into some glitches. There was glitches just like we're playing video games. It was nuts to see that the overall market does this. This was the first time I've ever seen this since my experience of 7 years of trading. But the New York Stock Exchange saw a glitch that it affected hundreds of companies, affected about 50 companies on the S&P 500. What happened on Tuesday morning was stocks opened slightly below or slightly above their trading prices and immediately got halted and reopened a couple minutes later back at their opening trading price that they should have opened at. So we saw a glitch in the overall market. Nothing is perfect, and definitely made big investors a little bit scared and nervous on Tuesday morning. I'm sure we had some people that were really sweating with the big time money and the big bankers out there. But next time we see this, we do know how to take advantage of it. Buy the dip. Tons of discounts around and huge stocks. We had companies like McDonald's, MCD, spiking from 236 halted and then going to 266. That's about a 10% plus move in a couple minutes. We also had Visa spiking from 195 to 225, and then Wells Fargo making a very similar move, spiking from 38 to 44. So tons of corrections across the board on Tuesday, and if we ever see that again, it might be a free ticket in the discount store. Just go walk into TJ Maxx, walk into Ross, grab whatever you want, and walk out. That's pretty much what Tuesday morning was. Let's get back to the short squeezes, because that is where the potential is. That is where you can make your money in this market. We've had crazy short squeezes where we've been able to make money on Blue Apron and Mullen earlier this year. Now we have a stock that other people are very similar with that as well is close to a penny stock, and that's BuzzFeed, BZFD. BuzzFeed came out with news that they're going to be now using ChapGPT, so that's an AI service, to start generating topics that are going to be interactive. So we might get quizzes, some BuzzFeed interaction that maybe can bring BuzzFeed back to life. Who is still looking at BuzzFeed? I mean, you have outdated, look at the website, outdated articles like this. I mean, who even cares about stuff like this? But they did also come out with news with huge company like Meta, META. A multi-million-dollar deal with BuzzFeed, as well as this news, could send a stock skyrocketing. And that's exactly what we saw in BuzzFeed here. The stock spiked over 300% in the span of 2 days, from $1 all the way up to $3.80. So if you were to invest $1,000 on Wednesday in BuzzFeed, your $1,000 would now be just about $4,000. The potential in the market is beautiful, and shout out to the short squeezers out there that are making this happen. And the excitement is not only in the big listed stocks. You also have smaller OTC penny stocks that are making big moves this week. We actually are going to jump into the psychedelic sector, a fairly new sector, but a sector that seems to be taking over that a lot of people are talking about. Psychedelics, mushrooms to be exact, are legalized now in Colorado, and they're jumping their way to California. So you have legalization happening. You also have big shows like Last Upon Us, like just popped up on HBO, and different shows that are actually bringing a wake to the mushroom mania. It seems like something that is popping up. You have mushroom chocolate bars that are popping up around. So, with that being said, BRAXF, a psychedelic related stock, got bought out by another medicine company. They're actually another OTC stock that doesn't move around too much, Irwin Vitamins. IWINF. The news came out that they plan on acquiring BRAXF, and BRAXF got a spike of 100% overnight. And definitely a stock you want to keep your eyes on to potentially make money in the upcoming week. So BRAXF is something that we'll be watching. And to close out the week, it looks like the overall market rally might not just be a bounce. We are now on 5 straight green days, and the SPY is over 406. So starting the week getting over 400 and continuing to push now over 406 is looking great for a bounce to start the brand new 2023 new year. I didn't get enough booyahs this episode.
Booyah!
I need to get a couple more of those in the next episode. But that wraps up our 2-minute drill there, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and catch us back here next week. We're going to be doing it every single Friday to highlight the week. Stay safe out there. Enjoy your weekend. Stock Sniper Mike, out.